I remember when I applied to the course and I sent my letter, I would have never in a million years think that so quickly I would be working in that space. The course itself gave me the tools and confidence to kind of go out to the market and say, I want to do this. This is new. You're at the cusp of change. You have to go and try, innovate and try different things. And I think for me, this was the best place in the market to go and upskill and get to a position where I'm credible. I said, do it. You only live once. If you're interested in this, it means you've got some sort of purpose. We need to really move the needle and we need more expertise in the market.
At the beginning, I felt quite overwhelmed, but a few months later, I realized that I incorporated the key criteria and the foundational knowledge of the elements and also like the guiding and critical question that they asked into impact in my team. It helped me to really integrate impact in a credible and an authentic way, but in a way that worked for my team.